Hello everyone, I'm Harsh Pruthi. I belong to Faridabad city. I have cleared IBPS PO exam and I got Bank of India. I have also cleared SBI PO mains and RBI Grade B Phase 1 exam this year. In this video, I'll be sharing some of my experience and also give some suggestions to the aspirants specifically for the quant section. I completed my post graduation in July 2020 and I decided to go for banking exams. Since only online platforms were available, I got to know of Unacademy and I bought its Plus subscription in July. Initially, there were two main issues. First was of proper guidance, and the other was of selecting the teachers for the various sections of English, Quant, and Reasoning. I gave it some time. I watched many of the teachers, and finally, I was able to decide on the teachers with whom I was comfortable. Now, instead of going for a particular exam, I started learning the concepts. So, for each of the sections, I chose a particular topic. I learned the concepts. I practiced some pre-level questions and also some mains level questions. So in this way, in few days, a particular topic was ready. So in around 3 months time, I was able to complete all the topics of quant, reasoning and English. Then I started giving sectional mocks and I also gave some full mocks before the exams. Now specifically for the quant section, initially I studied quant from Gaurav Singh sir on Unacademy. He also has his YouTube channel named Banking Mentors. So for quant, the first step is numbers, calculations, and tables. These need to be strong. For the pre-exams, simplification, number series, quadratic equations, and basic data interpretation. These are very important and these need to be practiced regularly. For the arithmetic part, building a strong foundation is very important. So for arithmetic, you can follow the same procedure like learn the basic concepts, learn some tricks, practice some pre-level questions, and then some mains level questions. For the mains exam, arithmetic DI and high level questions of arithmetic are very important. That's all I would say for the quant section. At last, I would also like to add that if this is your first attempt, then you might feel that there are people who have been preparing for 1 or 2 or 3 years and you might not be able to compete with them. But if you are focused and you have a proper strategy and study with the proper planning, then you can easily clear any of the banking exams in your first attempt itself. So thank you for watching the video and all the best to all the aspirants. Thank you.